Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to revise articles. Which you have already learnt in your school days. These articles we use when we speak, when we write, and they are very important in English grammar. As we all know that there are three articles: a, an, and the. These articles, they come before noun. Now we all know what is noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So we can in short call it a naming word. But there are certain exceptions also which we will be doing later on. Now out of this, a and an, these are indefinite articles, whereas the is a definite article. So let us move on to the types of articles, that is indefinite article, and definite article. Now as I had told you that in indefinite article we have two articles, that is a and an, and here we have the article the. Now this a and an, they are used for any, whereas this is a specific, or we can say a particular one. So it is called as definite article, and so this is called as indefinite article. Now for a and an, we must have a common singular noun. So let us first focus on indefinite article, and then later on we will move on to definite article. So let us move on to indefinite article first. The first we have is a, and the next we have is an. Now this a, as I said, both of these articles, they are used for general purpose, but the noun has to be a common and singular noun. Now this article is used before a noun which begins with the sound of a consonant. Whereas an article comes before a noun which begins with the sound of a vowel. Now in English language, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining ones are consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So the word which begins with a vowel sound, before that we write the article an, and the word which begins with the sound of a consonant, before that we write the article a. So we will move on to few examples, and we will see the exceptional cases also. Like a bat, or a man, or a car, a hospital, whereas here in vowel sound we can have an apple, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella. Now these are the vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. But as I said, there are some exceptional cases over here also. So let me go on to those exceptional cases where we have the vowels in the beginning, but just because their sound does not match with the vowel sound, so we will not be following the article an. As we move on to first example of O. ₹1 coin. Now see my dear students over here, though we have O over here, but the sound of this O is not like orange, but this is one. The sound is of the consonant. So we will be using here the article A. Similarly, we can take another example. Here is of unicorn. Again we have over here U, but the sound is not like that of umbrella. Here we have U, that is a consonant sound. So again we will have here O as an article. Now here we have E, but the sound is European tourist. Again the sound is not like elephant or egg, but here the sound is of the consonant. So here we will have A as the article. So a European tourist. It will not be an European tourist. Here we have the word MP. Though here we have M, which is a consonant of English language, but the sound is M. We can hear the sound of a vowel in the beginning in M. So here we will have the consonant an. Similarly, SP. Now here also we have S. Though it is a consonant, but the sound here is S. So again it is a vowel sound and we will be writing here an. So whether it is MA, MLA, MCOM, SP, so LLB, we can have here another example, LLB, student. So again here L has a vowel sound. So again here we will have an. So these were the exceptional cases like ₹1 coin. So a ₹1 coin. So here we can have another thing, one-sided affair. So it will be a one-sided affair. Here as we have unicorn, so a unicorn. It can be a unit. It can be a university, a useful article. Here a European tourist. And exactly on the other hand, here we have MP, we have SP, we have LLB. Here we have more examples of exceptional cases. Here we can have hour, then honest man, air. Now in these examples, here though these words begin with H, but here H is silent. So the sound is our, honest man, air. So it will be an hour, an honest man, and an air. So here with blue ones I have given you the common cases, whereas with the red ones are the exceptional cases. So I hope you all have understood indefinite article. So we will continue this topic in part 2, and that will be definite article and omission of article.